There was this dirt that I used to eat growing up that was so delicious. Alright, it wasn't dirt, but it sure looked like it. And I was really surprised that I was able to find this. If you don't know what I'm talking about the good whole asham. Oh, it still have that burnt flavor of my love. It's made from roasted corn and sugar. This was my whole childhood when I used to go to St. Richard's Primary. There was a man named Joe and used to dirty like bus where used to sell these things. Don't think them did always full of dust. But the kids them always flock him stall. There was also Paul and a whole lady I can't remember her name. All I know was all flock the stall for the asham. And the red and the other things that we used to sell. I didn't remember how sweet this asham was. But I remember how dry it was and how it used to choke out my daylight. And you eat asham, your whole mouth dry out. No lie, as a child, it was good. I don't know if I could eat this now as an adult. It's just too sweet. But I have to make my son try this. Don't tell me say it's me alone remember asham.